Introducing the X-Scrub Mini 11-inch Micro Scrubber, a highly maneuverable, lightweight scrubber designed for effortless cleaning in tight spaces. The X-Scrub Mini removes dirt and grime buildup with ease, delivering clear before and after results you can see immediately. Easy-to-use controls with pictograms make operation simple for any user. The 2.9-quart solution tank locks and unlocks easily using a unique magnetic anchor, while the removable, low-profile design fits under most faucets for quick filling. A flexible drain hose allows dirty water to be emptied directly into a toilet or floor drain. Durable, non-marking polyurethane wheels glide smoothly across floors, and multiple brush options make it easy to clean a variety of hard surfaces. Brush changes are quick and simple, keeping downtime to a minimum. An LED headlight improves visibility, and the folding brush deck allows for compact, easy storage. Ditch outdated manual cleaning methods. Forget the mop. No more spreading dirty water and germs. This machine picks up dirt and leaves floors clean and dry. The X-Scrub Mini helps reduce worker fatigue, uses less water, and cleans virtually any hard surface, even in hard-to-reach places. Ready to experience the difference? Book your demo today, where intelligent design meets great performance.